More than 1,000. Oh, this one. There's a new development on this one.
Oh, boy.
So we talked about Bezos having that
Rotterdam
insane
bridge.
yacht being built over there in Rotterdam. And then this legendary bridge that was going to have to be dismantled because his yacht was so enormous that it wasn't going to be able to fit out of the harbor to be delivered to him, which also begs the question,
why build it there?
well, no, not why build it there, but he's not going to be able to get this thing into any harbor, really, or there's going to be a lot that he's going to have to avoid with the height of this thing.
Which makes me wonder, why didn't they dismantle the boat, the yacht?
No,
I mean, it's just a sail, right?
No.
Can't do that to Bezos?
No, Bezos is like, don't touch my yacht. Yeah.
Like, all right, fine.
Yeah, okay.
We'll dismantle the Rotterdam bridge instead.
Yeah,
let's just do that.
Yeah.
Listen.
It's so evil looking, too, the yacht.
It looks like a pirate ship.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, but evil, but kind of cool, too. I mean,
you just turned like
no,
180.
No, it's like sometimes you would watch a movie and the villains would have like a cooler spaceship.
Right.
It's totally possible.
Yeah, okay.
It can look both evil and cool at the same time.
Yeah, I got to look for it again because
no, it's very
I totally
menacing.
forgot.
Oh, menacing is good.
No, do the one with that one.
Wait a second.
Wait, this one's the real one.
Yeah, so the real one.
It's not the pirate ship.
No.
I think.
Or is it?
Yeah, I think it hasn't.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, it hasn't been fully rigged up yet.
It's just the sails are huge.
Yes, the masts at the. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Those are the people there.
I think those. Go
this
on.
This is the
last.
Titanic here.
Yeah, that's huge.
My question is he really into maneuvering this thing, or is it?
What do you mean?
Like he has to have a crew. Like he's not.
Oh yeah,
absolutely.
I just wonder to what extent he himself is an enthusiast in the sailing portion, and how much he wants to control. Like at some point, he's grabbing the wheel.
Yeah.
When they're out in the middle, he's like, this is my
shirt
yacht,
is off.
My yacht.
High tech.
His shirt is off for sure, and the girlfriend is there and all that.
Wow, I'm very surprised at how big this is.
He has the other yachts, like the Flying Fox that you see over there, for $400 million. It's more of a typical yacht. This thing is custom built.
But when you imagine a yacht, you don't imagine this like this as a yacht. This is like a
shipping
container ship thing.
Well, it's
huge.
It's very intense. But anyway, that's without the mast there, and they're going to dismantle the bridge, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or they have already. Bezos' new mega yacht is being built and needs to pass through Rotterdam once complete. It is so big that the historic Koningshaven Bridge may need to be dismantled for it to sail through. See, so they have to put the mast up they have to put the sails there for him to do it, to get out. In response, Rotterdam locals are planning to throw rotten eggs at Bezos' yacht when it passes. So they're pissed.
Boy.
Somebody's pissed. Jeff Bezos' new mega yacht is being built in the Netherlands, where it may require a historic bridge to be dismantled so it can sail through. Some Dutch residents definitely won't be egging him on, but instead will be chucking eggs at his yacht when it passes. Rotterdam locals have taken to Facebook to plan an event called Throwing Eggs at Jeff Bezos' super yacht in protest. So not everybody's into it, especially since this particular bridge is historic, and I guess people will be worried that it might get damaged if it has to be dismantled for one $500 million mega yacht for one guy, which is essentially what this is. But presumably the company that built it is also interested in delivering the product so they can get paid for it, and they probably build a lot of yachts for a lot of people.
Probably employed a lot of people, too.
Probably employ a lot of people. So there's more to it when he goes in there to lobby and say, hey, let's take this down for a second. Anyway, the mega yacht's 3 masts are too tall. That's it. They're going to have to put up the masts. They can't get under the 131-foot clearance, which is enormous. The bridge is 100 years old. So I guess it's going to come down. Or if it does come down, then they're going to throw eggs at his boat. I'm not sure he's going to mind, but
he's not going to hire people to clean it.
There's not a lot of egg throwing going on anymore.
No, it used to be when we were younger.
What are you talking about?
Like egging people's houses?
That's what you did?
I never did it, but my house got egged, and it happened. I heard stories. All right, man.
Throwing you under the
trying
bus.
to get me accused for driving 400 kilometers on the Autobahn and egging people's houses. Last time on this show.
Listen, we're not the ones that put you in Hanover, all right? You put yourself there.
That's true.
You put yourself on the scene of the crime.
Yeah.